Hi, my name is Rambo, and I'm the designer of the Pocket Tripod. What you just saw was me torture testing some samples from our latest production batch. As you can see, these things are extremely durable, and they can last thousands of cycles of rigorous transformations between the card and the tripod form, and even under misuse, they don't crack. They bend, and that's it. And the reason is that we use extremely high quality materials for this product. We use carbon fiber for the legs, which is encased in the self-lubricating POM plastic. We use engineered plastics for the whole product. There's PC-ABS for the base, and the adapters, and polyurethane is used where the phone fits into the tripod, so it keeps it secure and snug without scratching it. Unfortunately, we found out recently that our latest batch was produced with a defect that caused the material to be very brittle and weak. Our customers have been telling us that their pocket tripods are breaking after just a few uses. This was obviously a shock to us, and we asked them to send back their tripod so that we could analyze what's going on. Here's a carton of tripods returned to us from our customers. And after analyzing them, we realized that there's a problem with the material caused by moisture in the plastic. Unfortunately, it seems that our manufacturer didn't follow the correct procedures to dry the material before injecting it into the mold, causing it to not have its full strength. Obviously, whoever was affected by this problem has been offered a replacement free of charge per our lifetime warranty. Also, in addition to strict quality control processes, we've been working closely with our manufacturer to make sure that the material is processed correctly so that this doesn't happen again. As the designer of the Pocket Tripod, I want to make sure that whoever receives this product really enjoys it to its full potential and really gets to experience how it was intended to be used. So I want to thank you for your patience while we correct this problem and produce perfect pocket tripods and send them to you as replacements if you're affected by this. And just as a side note, I want to thank everybody who purchases original pocket tripod products. There's people behind the product. We back the product with our lifetime warranty, and we really care about how it functions. Even though our product is patented, there's still a few knockoffs out there that pop up once in a while, and they use our product images, but they send you something that's completely useless. So thank you for supporting original ideas, and if there's anything you need, just send us a quick email, and our friendly support staff will be more than happy to take care of you. Take care.